Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting Amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. So for Magic Circle, this is how I like to start. What I like to do is have on the yarn hand, hold the yarn end with my fingers down here. So my thumb, my ring, and then my pinky. What I then do is on my index and my middle finger, I like to create this shape and wrap the yarn around. So when you wrap the yarn around, it will make this little X. What I like to then do is hold the yarn from the back. So you have this little X shape right here. So you want to go around and straight down, then bring it back to cross and bring it back down. Then with my hook hand, I will place a yarn on top of the hook, place the hook right here, put it right through the triangle. So you should see this one overlapping and this one under the hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through. And then what I like to do is twist. So you twist with the hook end, the tip of it, facing towards you, and pull it up. This will then create this shape right here. Afterwards, you can kind of bring this loop closer to your hook end, turn your project around, and you should see two lines. What you then do is pull your hook and put it in the other triangle right here. And you then have these two loops. When you have these two loops, you can then pull the yarn right through the original loop that you created. You now have a magic ring, or magic circle. Demonstrate it again. So what you want to do is have hand like this, grabbing the yarn end right here, looping around and grabbing it. Try not to have too much tension, because if you have too much tension, it will make it a little bit more difficult. So with a loose yarn end, you're gonna grab your hook, go from the inside. You go from the inside of your hand right here. Gonna go right in, under this yarn and over this one. Pull through. You're gonna twist the hook towards your body. And now you're gonna have it facing up. Now you have this loop. You're going to then, from behind, remember, keep your tension low. You're going to then grab the left or this yarn side right here with your hook, make it go under, and pull that right through the first loop that you created. And then you should have this kind of let go now. You don't have to use your left hand as much. You're gonna have the strands come out from here, pull it out, and you should have this shape right here. This is the shape that you'd want. So you're gonna have the yarn coming from the skein. You're gonna have a single loop. You're then gonna have this larger loop and then the tail end. From here, you can start to do single crochets. So tighten it just a little bit right here. You should feel like a little knot. You'll know if you did your magic circle correctly if you can pull this right here. So hold the knot down and pull it, you can see the yarn moving. If you also pull it on this end, you can see the yarn tail moving. Alright, so from here, what I like to do is fix the tension on my hook and then start doing single crochets. What I do from here is I'll have the yarn end on top and then this loop right here. I like to pinch both of them. Keep the magic circle open and then just start crocheting. So you go under both strands right here, grab your yarn piece, you have your normal 2 loops for single crochet, and pull it right through. That's 1 stitch. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Now that's 6. So 6 is the commonly used number when it comes to making amigurumis. So you should see 6 V shapes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how you know you have 6 counts on your magic ring. So grab this end piece that you have and slowly pull it. Once you pull it, you're going to notice this loop closing, and it's going to bring your project into itself. And now you should have this little ring right here. Fix the tension, push it around till it looks nice and flat. And now you should still have the 6 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you need to start on your project, what you're going to do is go into the first V right here and crochet into it. Put your hook right through. And then treat it as a normal stitch. And from here, you can increase as the project tells you to. And just work from there. So now, you notice that you still have the yarn end, right? Let's put a marker right there for now. So let's say for the second round you increased, you now have 12 stitches. Let's say you're doing for a project, okay? So you want to close the hole right here. You still have the yarn end. What I like to do is pull it just a little tighter, so I like to pinch the center and pull so that it closes a little bit more. If you think it's still not good, turn around and you'll see that there's like a shape where it comes from. So pull in that direction, and now you have it closed. So now the project is closed like this. What I then will do is grab a needle and this is the back side. Grab the needle, thread it. Then, what I like to do is look for any sort of inner stitch that I can use to tie it off. So, let's use this one right here. There's an inner stitch right here. I will use my needle, thread it through, like that. Pull it through, create a loop, string it through the loop. I'm just basically creating a knot. So knot it like that, and I'm gonna create another one, and pull it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull tight, make sure that knot is created, and now there's no way of it coming loose. Grab my pair of scissors right here, and cut. Now you should have it securely fastened in the back right here. And this should be closed, and now you can continue your project. And that's how you do a magic circle.